Let's unlock the first door, behind door number 1 when it comes to the gamification treasure chest, shall we? Limited time challenges. Yeah. Let's imagine this, if you will. You're not just shopping. You, my friends, you're on a mission. Yeah. Should you decide to accept this mission, you've got a time, and it's a set time, and you have to complete your challenge within that time. And if you do, an exclusive reward and exclusive recognition awaits you on the other side. It's like those intense final rounds in game shows that we see on television all the time, except here, every single participant in your world, in your sales funnel, can actually be a winner. Here's how it works in the real world of sales. You set up a challenge that's related to your product or your service, whatever it is you're trying to get them to buy. It could be anything from a quiz to a competitive contest, to a 5-day challenge of all different types. Customers dive in, not just because they want to buy, and not just because they want to win. They dive in because they want to be better than their peers, and they want to succeed. Yeah, it's that competitive nature. And when they succeed, well, they unlock some special offers, perhaps some rewards, and even some discounts. This, my friends, I want you to think about this. This is a really powerful tactic because it creates a sense of urgency as well as this fervent excitement. You're not just selling, you're engaging in a way that's fun and memorable, all the while providing them value. And remember, here you go. Challenges aren't just for gamers. No. They're for shoppers too. Imagine unlocking a reward just in time. This approach transforms that buying experience into an interactive game that customers and prospects eagerly want to participate in. They're not just passively browsing around your website anymore or comb through your content. No, they're actively involved in your content, in your teaching, and in your expertise. This level of involvement can make the difference between someone that's just kind of casually browsing, perhaps even clicking away, to becoming a committed buyer of your products, of your content.